Hello again, and this time we are going to talk about Notion. I love Notion. Notion became my friend. I'm using this program for a lot of things. But there was one thing that I didn't understand, and it was relational database. I didn't understand how it was working, even though I have watched YouTube videos. But my problem was that I never tried to use it by myself. So an idea came to my mind when I was reading a book. There was a lot of things I wanted to write down. Of course, I could have highlighted them, but I want to put them as well in my reading book section under the book I was reading. So I created another page inside this book and then put some quotes in it. But I didn't like the way it looked. I want to link them somehow, and that's when I thought about a relational database, and maybe it could have been a solution. We are going to try to link this book, for example, to quotes I will take from this book. I'm going to go to relational database I have created, and it is called Book Quotes. And I'm going to show you that I have two books here, Atomic Habits and Mythology 101. But we're going to do it from the clean sheet. So go back to page where you want to create a relational database. I'm going to do it, for example, here. And you can choose board inline or board full page, or table inline or table full page. It's up to you. I'm going to choose board full page. Name it, for example, quotes. Template already created something for us. So let's open card number 1 and name it. What it is called again? The man who mistook his wife for a hat. Who mistook his wife for a hat. I'm going to change status here. I like not started, but instead of in progress, I'm going to type reading, and instead of completed, finished. You can change color as well. I just opened this book, so I haven't highlighted anything yet. So let's choose something, for example, this first paragraph. Select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We can turn this into quotes or callout. We can change color as well. You can do whatever you want. We can have more properties here, and I'm gonna choose reading. Also, you can change the sign, call it however you want, and maybe add other properties as well. Now let's go back to reading list. And I have a video if you don't know how to create a reading list. I'm gonna link down below. Let's add the book we were talking about. Name. I can fill this everything later, but maybe choose status and reading. And there's a lot of properties here, but here you can also see a pointer arrow, and this is relational database. I have called it quotes. You can rename it, of course. And let's create another one to show you how I did. I'm gonna click Add Properties, Text, Relation, select a database, and it is showing me my database. And quotes is the one we want to link this. Quotes, create relational, click, or we can also choose name, rename it, click, and this is our book we were talking about. Let's click it. And if you click this again, it will go directly to the quotes. And if we go to our relation database, we created quotes, and open this one, it also has linked database, and we click and click again, we will go to the reading list. So this is how relation database works. I'm going to show you the final look of it. Let's go to reading list. And for example, this book, amazing book, Atomic Habits, you should read it. And this is how it looks when it's filled. And I have picture and description here as well. And if we click this one, I don't need this anymore. Atomic Habits, and click again, it will go to my linked page. And here I have what I have taken from the first chapter. And this is all. So this is how it works, and it is really, really amazing. Thank you for watching and see you soon.